Welcome back. All right, we'll take you now to West Bengal. In fact, there is a hearing that is taking place today in the Calcutta High Court. Remember, the NIA had moved the Calcutta High Court seeking the quashing of the FIR that was registered against them by the West Bengal police. Now, what we're getting to hear is from sources that the NIA lawyer to the court has said that it was at about 4:30 when they had gone to raid, and a letter had also been given to the administration before the raid was conducted. One accused was arrested. The arrest, in fact, had taken place at 6 in the evening. Cars were damaged. One person was injured. So these are the details coming in now from inside the court, that hearing happening inside the court, because the NIA had immediately moved the Calcutta High Court, who had also accepted their petition seeking the quashing of the FIR that was registered by the West Bengal police against the NIA officials on the charges of molestation and house trespassing. So now the NIA making its case in the court. The NIA also saying that the arrested person that day was produced that day itself. Kamalika joins us now for the very latest. Kamalika, just take us through. We are getting in more news from inside the court. The NIA now presenting its case, giving more details to the court. But very interestingly, they also mentioned how a notice was given prior to the raids to the administration.
No, they are putting their case, and NIA is whatever NIA's points, the logic, sir, that's what they are giving in the court, and they are a couple of points they have raised. Their first raised that they have got. Their first raised that the time was at what point of time they went, that they mentioned. Their main 4:30 they went to raid, that they have mentioned. They have also mentioned that they have given a letter before the raid, but that is early in the morning. That's what is been contradicted by the state. The state is saying that 4:15 in the morning the letter was issued. So there is this thing going on. And then they have also mentioned that one accused got arrested. The arrest took place around 6 a.m. The cars were damaged. One person was injured. The complaints were lodged at 8:40. The NIA complained that the NIA has been attacked. More than 100 people were there who clear out them. That's also there in their submission.
Okay.
The arrested person that they was produced in the court that they have mentioned. But then they have mentioned that there is another complaint which was lodged in the evening. Now the NIA raises this question that why the FIR, that means the counter FIR, the FIR that has been lodged by the accused wife, why it took 10 hours to lodge that FIR. So they believe that this FIR has malified intention. That is what the initial submission of NIA was there in the court. And they also said that the accused was injured, they are saying in that affair. But nothing much has been found in the medical reports that they have done after the arrest and when the person was produced. On the other hand, the state is saying that state has said that they got a first call at 6:25. Before that, the letter was there, but the first around 4:15 they got the letter. So they were arranging things. But at 6:25, they got the first call that they have been gherav out. The NIA has been gherav out. 6:45, according to the state, they went to they were going to the spot. When they got the NIA team saw the NIA team was returning, they spoke to us. That's what their submission is. And the police thereafter told them that the NIA can come to the police and can lodge an FIR. So the FIR of the NIA was lodged at 8:40 in the morning, according to state. And 6:45 p.m., that's what the state is saying, they got another complaint by the wife of one of the accused who has been arrested that this molestation and all these things have taken place. So the state wants to also investigate both the cases, and the state thereby has called the NIA officers to take their statement and other details. That's what the state
Kamalika, on that point, the NIA has all been a while saying that excuse me, that they have no malified intent. They said that the mob attack on their team was completely unprovoked. Why did it take so much time for those villagers to raise a complaint and go and register the FIR? And how much time did it take? Like, what is that time span? If you could just throw some light on that.
See, according to NIA's deposition in the court, that is like 10 hours. That's what the NIA has said, and also the state has also mentioned that the complaint that this woman has given was in the evening. It was around after 6 o'clock. Now, the another point which NIA has put forward here is that there has been a 325 section slapped against this NIA officer, which means punishment for causing grievous hurt. Whereas the NIA says that there is nothing there is nothing much in the medical reports that those persons were injured.
Right.
But the NIA questions that the case which is against the NIA, there that 325 is given, but the case which NIA filed, in that case, the accused, the people who were accused, their 323 was imposed, slapped, which means punishment for a simple injury. Why this difference? This is question. Another important thing in this, for Union of India, the lawyer also represented the Union of India, stated that this is not the first time that the agencies are facing case. All the agencies are, getting hassled or heckled. That is a very important point which the Central Union of India lawyer also wanted to add and mention that, see, this is not the first time that there is a case against a central agency officer.